We are talking here about content marketing automation based on make.com, this website. And my name is Gala Steele, and I'm marketing analyst and expert in Looker and marketing automation. I have a nice scenario to do automatic post on your WordPress. This is my experimental website where I do these automatic posts. And I created a new account where we do this scenario replicate online with you on my videos, and you can repeat it step by step and do the same for your website. If you have some troubles, you can contact me and maybe I can create the same similar thing for your project. And by the way, it is only 1 second to give likes to this video, and it's a big help for me. So please don't forget to like this video and give me motivation. We already created almost the whole scenario. The mission is actually the last thing. Let's do the post. Let's create a new model here. We need WordPress model, and this model is create a post. So let's join everything what we know to get the post. So what is the title of our post? Title here we take from ACO title. We had it somewhere many videos ago. We had ACO title result done. Content, some couple of pictures inside of our article, and result of this we have here, and this will be our final article. What is the type? This is a post. Here I think we don't need to push to do anything. Slug, we have slug, we just need to find it, this model with the slug, it's here. Status, publish, so categories and tags. Let's remove it for now. We need to add categories that we selected. We need to map it, and when we map it, we map it to category result. And tags, again, you can choose manually, but we don't know which tags will be fit to this article, so we map it with final tags. So we use this. Author, we have only one author, and this future media ID. This is, we have, when we uploaded our first picture, we had hero picture here, then we uploaded to the website and we had it here. I think that was a picture, so this is fine, and we can save it and create a post. But what is missing here? Missing here is ACO tag and keywords, slug, like ACO parameters. So I did it in advanced. So this is a bit more tricky because it will depend of your ACO plugin that you have on your website. It has ACO plugin rank month ACO, and it has its own syntaxes. You can check. So I checked their support articles how to set up it, and with ChatGPT I found a way how to send it from Make to WordPress. But if you have another ACO plugin, it's different. So what do we do? Well, I do advanced settings, then I use meta. I will add here additional meta fields. Additional, it's the schema, rank month focus keyword. And so use other ACO plugin, it will be different. And our ACO keyword was on the first model, actually. So we should add second parameter, it's title. Let's add, no, I need to second parameter title. And here we add a value, we take a value from our title. And the next parameter is a description, that's what we need. And this description, ACO description, and we can save it and disable. Okay, we are fine here. Oh, no, God, add it not to additional fields. I should add it to metadata. Yeah, because it is in metadata. So this was a mistake. Let's do it again. Metadata, open, add item. My first metadata, it's a keyword. Second, it's my title. It's my title, and my third, it's a description. I don't talk in here what is description, keywords, I think if you have your blog, you already know what does it mean. So I remove this, and we have additional fields, we don't need them, but we need metadata. Plugin use metadata. Other plugins it's not necessary that they will use metadata, because I have another website and they're like different to stop this. When I publish my website, when I publish an article to my website, I need some time that images upload to the website. So for this, we have a nice tool that calls sleep, and it's measured in seconds. So I want to wait 1 minute, rename it 60 seconds. And I just want to wait when everything is fine, when images will upload. So I just want to do a pause to upload everything to the website. And after that, I want to get a link to my post. WordPress, what did I do it? Get a post, yeah. And I want to do here post, and post ID we will take from the previous model when we upload it to the post. And after that, when we have link to the post, update data in Google Sheets. It's not should, but I really like. So when we run this, it appears here that everything is fine. How can we do it? First of all, let me copy like how they write data. How do I do with the data or with the date? Yeah, because I don't remember it. I just found a way and that's it. So our last model here will be Google Sheets. And our Google Sheets is update a row, this type. So we should select here my drive, my will be gal elad, and have some test file, yeah? Yes, have some test file here. Yeah, then have sheet name ACO keywords and row number, which row number we want to update. And now we come back to our first where we selected our row number. Then we have table contain headers, yes, contain. And here, what do we want to change? We want to change date, use format date. Now, how did I get this formula? I got it from here. So I use now and I check like what fine for me. So we have some parameters here. I didn't use much yet, but we use something of them. For example, this now. Then category can take from a category. We will take it from select category, site collector. Tag we will select from site category tags, or we can use not from final text but from tags. Site URL we will take from get link post. That's how it's called here. It called link, so let's find link, get link to the post. Here we take link. Image URL, we have it, we use this format. So what did I do? I went to my library, to media library, and I know the name of my file, right? And I click here and I check URL and what was the URL before the file name. I took this and file from link, let's remove. And we have a model where we uploaded WordPress, our main image to WordPress. And here we have file name. And in this case, no, this one. File, it's fine. Status, published, just type it manually. Published. And prompt meta, this is what I took from, just to understand which kind of prompt do I have. I took it here. Scenario URL, scenario name. This is my scenario name. Then if I check it later, I can see like which worked, and that's it. Update, add to the Google Sheets. And the last thing that I use, ignore. If something goes wrong, it will ignore the error because actually we are done. So our scenario is ready. Let's run it once. I can't believe. So what do we do? Let's do our final observation because we have some time while it's running. On the first video, we generated list of keywords and we added some thesis for the article. Then did we do? We selected a row from this Google Sheets. What will we write about? After that, we wrote a draft of this article. After that, we have a section with links and banners, some unique, not unique, the same common elements for different articles. It could be affiliates links, it could be links for other articles in our website. It could be some advertising of, if you have like some course, you can advertise your course, whatever, something that you want to add to each article. And we have internal links. So we select 3 links from our website that fit our article. And then what we do, we write our first part of our article, then we write the second part of our article. On the next module, we join our first part with links, with banners, second part, and with sections that, if you like this article, probably you will like these articles as well. After this, we write some ACO title, description, and slug. Then writing image prompt for hero image. So this is our main image, and we use PIP connector to generate this image because like I will use Nana Banana. Nana Banana doesn't have direct connector to make, so we have to use like third connector service. And this is an important step because I spent a lot of time by myself to create a normal prompt. So please spend time because probably the first and second iteration of your prompt will not work well. After that, when we generate our hero image, I have a title. So what do? I use another service like Cloudinary to add this nice title to the image. And I have several separate for that because it is fall in love with this tool and I super recommend it. Download image with the title and upload this image to the website. Then we split our article for 2 parts and we write prompt for each of these sections because we want to create 2 additional images for this prompt, right? And scenario runs only once, so we want to write it run twice. That is why we have to create a JSON, send this JSON to iterator, and we do like generate, download, upload to website, get URL, and we aggregate to this data. And in the result, you can see that array from 2 images that we get. If you want more than 2 images, split your article more than 2 pieces, and you can generate more images. After this, we add these images to the article, and in this prompt we say don't change our article, it's already perfect, just add images that we created on the previous step. Then we selected tags and categories from our website to split our articles for different categories on the website. Then we create a post on our website. Okay, I had 1 category, that is fine, and we had several tags, that is why I need to set up variable. Then we create a post, then we have like 60 sec upload images because WordPress could be slow, and we have to, and so I like to give some sleep. So now it's nothing happened, it just sleep. Then we go to link, back to our first step and update our Google Sheets. Let's back to our Google Sheets, and wow, is it not magic? We can see that we just published our post on the website. Done today, we have tag category, we have site URL, image URL, established that was published, and prompt meta name, it's the name of our scenario. And we can go through by a link and we see this our post. We just generated this post automatically. It's new, and you can see that we have a picture. It's a long article. This is links to my social media that I did insert between just to have something here. So this is our links and banner section. Then we have, it's pretty nice article, and we have like another picture here. And when we finish articles that we like recommend to read more. Isn't it magic, really? So I really love this. Hope you too. Comment, because I think this is a great work. It takes time. It is not 5 minutes setup. I know I spent some hours to do this setup. Actually, write articles by AI, it's not the best practice. So usually I do write something more or less by myself, or I record the videos and write articles based on my videos. So it is much better because you can create content. I really like to use AI to automate some routine processes that I don't like posting, select tags, like images. I really like the results that I have. So it's super nice. Wow. So we are done. So many videos. It is a long series of videos, but we are done. Congrats. So share with me, please, your results. I'm super curious to see what did you get. And I really like the make for all resources that you could need below this video. And yeah, I want to say bye for this. And if you have some other ideas what to automate and make, let me know in comments. Maybe I can do scenarios for that as well, because it's super interesting. So bye bye.